Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge multiple sheets in Microsoft Excel using Excel queries, or what is commonly referred to as Power Query for Excel 2013, 2010 and 2016. Now you've been provided with about 6 sheets, that is for Project A, Project B, Project C, Project D, Project E and Project F. Each numbers are uniquely different, and you see we have the header here, which is months, that is starting from January to December. We have what is in the left column, which is sales, business development, rent, travel and accommodation, and expenses. Now we want to merge this into one single sheet without manually copy pasting it into a new sheet. Now in Excel 2010 and 2013, the Power Query tool comes as an add-in, so it will be up here. But in Excel 2016 and 2019, the Power Query tool now comes in here as part of queries. So you'd go to get data, then we'll get it from other sources, then get it as a blank query. Then click on blank query. So before you do that, first we need to format our data or get our data right by formatting this dataset as tables. So we'll format each of these, that is Project A, B, C, D, E, and F, as a table. So we'll format each sheet here as a table. This is how. You can either use the Control+T shortcut to format a table, or you select your dataset using the shortcut Control+A, or select your data manually, then go to the Home tab, then Format as Table. Then click any style here. So I'm going to click the first one, and in this I make sure that's selected and my table has headers. Then I click OK. That's the first one, and you'll see Excel automatically assigns this a name called table 1. Do the same for Project B. So for Project B, I'm going to use Control+T, this Control+T like that. Click OK. Project C, Control+T to format my table. Then Project D, Control+T, then click OK. Then Project E, Control+T. Fine. Now you look at Project F as having been assigned table 6. We can also give our custom names and call this Project A, call this Project B by renaming, but for this example I'm going to go with the names that have been assigned table 1 to table 6. Now it's time to merge. Now we're going to merge by going to data. Sometimes in Excel 2013 you might find it in this area where we'll see queries. Then you can click on queries. For my Excel 2019, I'll go to get data. I can get data from an Excel workbook, from text, from XML, from JSON, from a folder, all that. But for this case, I want to get it from other sources so that it can allow me to get data from a blank query. So I wait for the Power Query editor, which is going to load shortly. Then there's one function that you need to remember that we are going to use to merge this dataset, and the function is called Excel.CurrentWorkbook. So you start by an equal sign, Excel.CurrentWorkbook, and this function must be capital E, capital C, capital W for workbook. Then open the brackets and close and press enter. When you press enter, we'll get a preview of Project A to Project F, that is in the tables 1, 2, 3 to F. Now we need to click on this menu here in order for us to preview our dataset. So we'll get a preview of that. Now we see we have the months from January to December, which is correct. Then I click OK. Click OK. Now it preloads my data, and there is a case where Excel loads queries that you might not need. If you scroll to the right, you'll see the data source, that is from table 1 all the way to table 6. Now after that, we now need to load back our dataset to Excel. So we go back to the Home tab, and we're still on the Power Query editor. So close and load, then it loads back to Microsoft Excel. You realize that I did not create any extra sheets. So Power Query Editor is going to automatically create a new sheet and place my data in that particular sheet. So which is loading shortly. And on the right here, you will see my queries and connections, where my query one data is now getting my data, and you've seen my data has been fetched from table 1 all the way to table 6, and I expect that is that. And you can see that 1 rows have been loaded because each sheet here add 5 rows. So I expect 5 times 6 rows to get me 30 rows plus the first row at the top. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandia.